I'm ready. Hey everyone, welcome back on my channel again, and if you are new here, hello, I'm Christina. I am super excited to have you here. I would really recommend you to subscribe to my channel right now if you don't want to miss anything important. Come on, right now. You're done? Good. I have decided to make this Zara and Topshop try-on haul because it looks like many of you are expecting to see it. I've made another try-on haul in 2019 and it was my first haul ever. You can watch it here somewhere on the top of the screen. I will leave you my direct link here and in the description box as well. It was a haul about H&M and Mango, which was a really good one. But now I'm ready to open the bags and the boxes from another two favorite brands of mine, Topshop and Zara. There are so many good things in Topshop right now. I mean, what am I talking here? All the time you can find something really nice in Topshop, and once I'm inside it's really hard to get out without buying anything. But this time I was even more excited because it's February, so we still have some sales going on. I've been shopping smart again and I've been looking for the best online deals, but I ended up shopping something from the new collection as well. I have to admit, it's about a trend crush here. I just hope I'm not gonna regret it later. I am super enthusiastic to match everything together, and yeah, let's start this video, shall we? I'm gonna start with this bag that is here. Ta-da! So yeah, is a cropped jacket by Story of Lola from Topshop. I'm gonna ask you a question. Am I the only person left in the world without a Teddy Coat jacket this season? Because this is how I feel. I didn't want to buy a classic Teddy Coat, even if I loved the idea exactly in the moment when the trend started to be in. But I got really stubborn in the meantime and I insisted not to get involved with the trend as it was everywhere. Honestly, if you're walking down the Oxford Street right now or on any shopping street from London, even now in the spring, you will see plenty of Teddy Coat jackets, and I just refuse to wear the same coat like everyone, exactly the same shape, the same material, just like a uniform. But now in sales I've seen this cropped jacket. Kind of reminds me a bit of the Teddy Coat because of this part here. It's just like the Teddy material, but the rest is faux fur, and it looks quite interesting in my opinion. I know it's not a classic piece, but I'm sure I will wear it for a long time because it's exactly my type of coat, at least I hope so. Anyway, this is a keeper. Another trend that is not a new thing but screams attention on the streets is something that not everyone loves. To be more precise, I've challenged myself to try the ugly shoe trend. At the beginning I hated it so much. I couldn't understand why would you buy such an ugly pair of shoes. I've even tried the chunky shoes from Fila when the trend started to be in, but I hated it so much and I was sure that I'm not gonna buy at all any pair of ugly shoes. But now after I've seen them on Instagram especially, why not to admit, I kind of felt inspired and I started to have some styling ideas with these shoes, so I gave them a second chance. But this is a better design in my option. These are called Chicago Chunky Trainers from Topshop, and now I consider this style of shoes really cool because they are having a special touch on every look and perfectly match them in the utility inspired looks. I'm aware about the fact that this is not a very formal look, but definitely is a cool style for a more relaxed occasion. I'm actually really excited to try to style them on, and I'm super interested to see your opinion about these ugly chunky shoes. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My sense is telling me I shouldn't worry, you know the truth. Ooh, yeah. I can never take away our story now. And I know you feel it too, our style are these ankle boots from Topshop. I have many khaki pieces in my wardrobe at the moment, but I was missing the right shoes for them. And when I don't want to exaggerate my look with these crazy chunky shoes, I will choose the other ones that are khaki as well, but are a bit more elegant maybe. I'm gonna wear these ankle boots for sure. And the good part is that these were on sale, and this is real leather, which means they will last longer in my wardrobe. Yeah, I'm really excited to give them a try.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.
This is the best purchase. If I ever make the mistake to start browsing on the websites on the shoe categories, I will definitely get lost and I will end up buying a pair of shoes. The shoes are my all-time favorite thing to shop ever. And if I have to choose between a clothing piece or a pair of shoes, I will always go with the shoes. That's why I couldn't resist to these beauties, which I'm, oh my gosh, really can't believe I bought them. Ta-da! Yes. I hope you can see the details on them. These are absolutely gorgeous and are a nod to the Western trend. I still can't believe I bought them because these were not on sale, and I have no idea if this is a smart investment, honestly. But all I can say is that I like them even more in the real life. These are looking like very good quality shoes in my opinion. I really wanted a pair of white shoes during the winter season, but I'm really happy because I've been waiting until now. These ones are just perfect. The only fact that makes me a bit worried is that I don't know how to remove the marks from the leather. So if you have any tips, please let me know in the comments. This perfectly white shoe needs to remain perfectly white. I know it can be wrong to buy them, but I just love the design a lot, and it's such a good quality in this crocodile detailing. No, I'm not gonna think twice. I'm just really happy to have this new pair of shoes in my shoe collection. I bought myself a burger and I bought this shopper bag in sales because I'm always trying to travel with only a carry-on bag. There's plenty of space here. Yeah, this will be this will be perfect only for my drone, for example, and all the essentials for traveling that I don't want to keep in my luggage. I will show you at some point my style of packing smart for short travel trips, and you will understand why do I need this really big bag as a personal bag. And I will try to film a video about my technique of packing, and this bag is exactly what I needed to have. This was only £10 in the sale, which is hilarious.
No ties, no price, no need, so free.
No regrets for this one.
Say what you do, as long as you can show.
I am done officially with my Topshop purchases, and I will move on to Zara. It's only this small box. If until now my Topshop purchases weren't exactly for the hot season, my Zara purchases are exactly what you need to see for the spring-summer season of 2019. Let's take a moment to admire this beautiful packaging. I always love the packaging from Zara online. I will start with this polo shirt from Zara, which is the living coral color. I will wear this polo shirt during the day because it's a really simple and casual piece, really easy to wear. What I love the most is the shape of it. It has this really cute puff sleeves, if you can see. Can you see? Dressed on, it looks really nice. Because the material is not very thin, I will wear this shirt more during the springtime. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really happy with the color. You will definitely see this color everywhere. All the dresses, everything will be living color because this is the color of the year, and I don't really have too many pieces in this shade. Now this definitely screams summer for me. It's a two-piece combo and you can order them separately, but I wanted to see how these are looking together, and these are matching very well. The buckle top with this nice detail and the buttoned trousers. I can style them better together. I can wear these two-piece during the springtime with a long-sleeved top under the buckle top, but the typical way of wearing this is just by itself with a pair of flats maybe, or with some heeled sandals, but only when outside you will have many degrees. I'm already sick of this winter time.
Come hit me up, we'll light it up, pour some shots.
Next one. This piece, perfectly white blouse, is so beautiful. So beautiful. It looks like exactly the traditional Romanian blouse. I actually think I have one here in London, but let me double check for you. Just one second. Is this one. This one is an original blouse. It's from Romania. It's handmade. It has traditional embroidery patterns and is from my grandmother. I absolutely adore this one. It has sentimental value as well, and it looks really great during the summer. It is one of my favorite pieces. It really is very comfortable, but I don't want to ruin this one, and that's why I have decided to buy something in the same style. So this similar piece from Zara, but because it has only black and white details, I'm sure it would be easier to match it with my looks. So I'm really happy to buy this one in sales from Zara.
Swan song.
Swan song. It's not a swan song. Swan song. Swan dive.
This is already a tradition for me. In the last one I had a problem with my over-the-knee boots, and now I have a funny thing to say. I made a mistake. When I got the package, I was sure that Zara made a mistake and maybe they sent me the wrong order, but it looks like I am the dumb one. Yeah, it's written pretty clear under the picture that I've ordered Bermuda skirt, which is this one. I was really enthusiastic to receive the knit part you can see in the picture, not the bottoms. I was even shocked about how cheap the knit was supposed to be. I just pressed buy it. So when I checked the package, I was really disappointed because basically that was the piece I was expecting to receive the most, and now I don't know what to say. This is a really important issue for me when I'm buying online. Sometimes I'm not reading the description, which is really bad, and that's why I received this combo. It's not really bad, but it's not exactly what I wanted to buy. Now if I have it, I will try them on and I will see if I like them. I may end up keeping them. I'm not really sure. You can let me know if you like them or not.
1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it bad.
Okay, this was it. I'm so happy to end successfully my second haul. I hope you will like this one as much as you loved the other one, because I was super excited to see such a good feedback from you. I can't even tell you how excited I was. Please do let me know if you like my fashion video series better than the travel videos, because right now I'm trying to decide on what am I doing next, and it really matters what do you like to watch more on my channel. Make sure you check out my new website for all the pieces that are featured in this haul and in the other one as well. I have a wishlist there. I have my makeup collection, I have special sales, many things that I like, many shoppable items that you might be interested in, and it's like a virtual space for me. So you have to check out my style corner from my website. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I will see you at the next one. Bye!
There's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not in